enough is enough. Nobody's chasing me. I beg. First day of going on a run. It feels like my heart is about to jump out of my chest. And I've only run for 2 minutes.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah. Get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But
I
good
hate
luck with that, this is
running.
big as it gets.
I'm just going to walk home.
Let's see how you do under pressure.
Nobody's
See how
chasing
you
me.
do under pressure.
I beg.
Give 'em a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah. Oh shit, they gon'
Let's
let me
go.
shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, bitch, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? I just woke up myself. Today is Monday and I have a couple of things to do. But I wanted to show you guys the things I ordered from Temu. This piece is actually from Temu. I don't know if I can show you guys the full fit. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a winter nightwear, and from the first time I put it on, I was in love with it. It looks like a two-piece that you can just wear and chill somewhere with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. But it's really, really nice, and I really like the quality. The quality is so good. When you wear this, you feel so warm. Again, this is not a sponsored ad. Well, this one in particular, I really, really like it. And I was getting some reviews that some people say that, oh, their stuff is not nice, like they don't have quality stuff. I feel like if you settle down and actually take your time to check properly, you would see what you want. So now that that has been said, let's open our package. Ta-da! First thing I got are pillows. I'm trying to set up my room, so I got 2 pillows. Let's see. So soft, love it. smart packaging. Like nothing can happen to your item. So I got this mug. A cup of tea, a coffee. Nice. Thank you. Coffee. Tasty. Nice. Thank you. I got 2 of those, so I just opened them for them. Straws. I wanted these cups for the longest time. I am so glad I finally get it. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my god. And it comes with a straw. So beautiful. Can't wait to launch this. So I got 2 of these and 2 of the other mugs. So it comes with 2 straws and also this brush for washing the straws. Very important because you don't want germs to be stuck in the straw. So yeah, that's all. That's all the unboxing I have for you guys today. I'm really excited.
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch.
Good morning.
I'm always pouring out my heart.
I'm trying
No little by little.
to see ways that I can work this hair.
I'm
Honestly,
always pushing things too far.
I don't know. I'm a frontal babe, so like
2, 5, 6,
having
10
an
drinks
eva
at
is kind of
the bar.
different, but
No boundaries,
it's a
I
different
get too
look, but yeah.
close. No little by little.
Can we just take a minute to appreciate this skin? This skin!
No little by little, I pour out my heart. No little by little, here.
So I'm back from my morning run.
People try to equate going above and beyond for your wife or partner as a sign of weakness, which it makes no sense at all. If it's someone you actually value, you treat it like a partnership. You want to be able to make sure that they are happy too. That's the common denominator from what Russell Wilson does for Sierra, from what Serena Williams' husband does. And because of that, people have started developing words like simp and stuff like that. One big component of this is emotion. People try to make it look like, as a man, you are not supposed to show all forms of emotion. What type of man will miss out on the whole human experience when you cannot show that you can cry for something that involves your own woman, that you can go above and beyond for your own woman, and you're claiming you're a man? You're missing out. If you're not able to go above and beyond for your woman, sorry to go scriptural, but if you're not willing to show sacrificial love like the Bible talks about, that's you missing out. You're not getting the full experience.
Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly.
Hey guys, so I just finished making the video for Valentine's Day. If you're watching this, it's probably up. Please, if you have not seen that video, go watch it. yeah.
I pour out my heart. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care. People will stop and stare. Let me fly, walk that road into the sky. Self-destruction rules all that I can be. Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. I'll shine again, I'll be free, be all I can be.
Morning, guys. This is the feed for today. Have a lovely day. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. I hope you guys had a fantastic week. So we've come to the end of this week's vlog. If you enjoyed watching, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next one.